You're about to witness the land down under, where men work and women plunder. Got called out late last night for a massive sewer backup. The culprit? A faulty flood valve the customer had installed. Check out this before and after transformation from yours truly at Super Sewers. Real question for the audience. How much do you think a job like this costs? How much would you pay for an after-hours emergency call? We might be drain cleaners and not a restoration crew, but we always give 100% to leave the job clean. Follow and subscribe if you enjoyed our before and after, and thank you for watching. If you have any plumbing in the NYC area, give us a try. You can reach us by call the number at the top, right-hand corner of the video. We give free estimates, and estimates can be done through video call options. We guarantee the best prices in New York City, with over 10 years. Experience our mechanics, get the job done, and you also receive a warranty. Stay happy and stay flood-free.